In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Waka TV on Hisense Smart TV. First thing first, you need to scroll right down and look for Vida App Store. If you can't find Vida App Store on your home screen, you scroll back up to App Display and look for App Store. You scroll to your right and here is our App Store. You click on it. When it's downloading, you go ahead and click on search. You type in your Waka TV. So when you're done typing in your Waka TV, you click on search. As you can see, Waka TV is not available on our App Store. So what you're going to do is to scroll right down to where it's written search on web and you click on search on web. You can go ahead and stream Waka TV online, or you can go ahead and download it on your browser.